Hello friends,
Hello.
here we are once again in Fuengirola,
Yes.
and now we are at the beach,
Yes.
so you can see that it's almost empty, all the beach long, there is no sun umbrella.
Yes. Some people there, and it's the 4th in October
Yes, for
2020.
Sunday.
Yes, it's Sunday. It's beautiful weather.
Yeah, we have a beautiful weather,
Yes.
a few people only, so I think this is a safe place.
Yes, it is. I think you have to go with the mask, but in the beach, if you live there, if you keep in this play, you can take this out.
Yes, I'm going to take it out.
Yes. Why?
No mask,
No mask.
so you can see my beautiful smile. It's a joke.
Yes, it is.
So I think that if you are not working, you are retired, you live in a big city with a lot of cases, I think it's better for you if you have your second home here, or you can rent a cheap flat. It's better for you to come here, because as you can see it's almost empty, and if you take care about yourself, I think there is no risk. No?
Yes. Anyhow, here now is very good price with the if you want to rent an apartment, because there are many, and you can get very good price to spend here the winter, or maybe 1 month or 2 months, and it's very good weather. Then now is for example in Spain it's snowing in the north, but here we are like that because really it's very good weather. At night it's a little bit cooler, but just a little bit to take a little bit jacket, but anyhow it's not cold enough for us. It's very nice.
That is.
Then
So-
we go to have a little promenade in the beach.
Yeah,
Okay?
think about it.
Yes.
But it's fantastic. We are very well here with the sea, the sun. It's a wonderful life. So we are going to visit another beach and have a walk. Let's see what we find. Let's enjoy together this beautiful Sunday in Fuengirola.
Whoa, whoa, oh, tiene el club entero mal. Ella ni tiene más de 1,000 en Instagram. Creo que ese cuerpo, baby, se merece más. No necesita ni un flash. El mundo tiene que ver su hermosura. Con una mirada me voy de aventura. Me tienes enfermo, pero tú tienes la cura. Y sin duda, esa niña debe ser famosa. Baby, eres tan hermosa que tus amigas están celosas. Esa niña debe ser famosa. Baby, eres tan hermosa que tus amigas son celosas. Famosa. Mami, échate pa' acá. Solo 1 millón de likes, no baby, que va. Encima de la lista es donde tú debes estar. Con tu carita tan viral. El mundo tiene que ver su hermosura. Con una mirada me voy de aventura. Me tienes enfermo, pero tú tienes la cura. Y sin duda, esa niña debe ser famosa.
Que si te acerca al agua te mojas. This beach is very quiet. Very good for children. It's cold.
No, it's a little bit, but not too much.
Not so much.
The mask. Because if you swing, you can take off the mask.
Pero vas a swing tú.
I'm going to be swing.
Así.
No, swing this,
No.
but
No.
bad.
Sí, está dentro del agua. No sé, al final verás tú.
Al final voy a terminar todo.
She's like a girl. Ya te puedes meter entonces.
is in the air. Everywhere I look around, love is in the air. Every sight and every sound. And I don't know if I'm being foolish. I don't know if I'm being wise, but it's something that I must believe in, and it's there when I look in your eyes. Love is in the air, in the whisper of the trees. Ooh, love is in the air, in the thunder of the sea.
So we are finished our work. We hope that you have enjoyed. Take care, and if you have time, come to visit us.
Subscribe our channel.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share.
Yes.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
very much. A little kiss.
See you soon.
Adios.
Bye.
Bye.
Love is in the air, in the rising of the sun. Yes, love is in the air.